Hi, my name is Curtis Morrison, and I am the attorney and founder of Red Eagle Law, LC. This video is about a group lawsuit that Red Eagle Law is offering. I'm calling the Islamabad 3.0 lawsuit. Okay, so US citizens, lawful permanent residents who have spouses, children, parents, siblings awaiting immigrant visa interviews from US Embassy Islamabad, primarily Afghan and Pakistani nationals, are facing unreasonable and arguably unlawful delays in the adjudication of their beneficiary immigrant visa applications. That's because they cannot get interviews. Okay? Red Eagle Law LC is offering a group lawsuit to challenge the lawfulness of those delays. This group lawsuit aims to accelerate the scheduling of interviews and end the unreasonable delays for our clients seeking interviews at US Embassy Islamabad. So, a little bit of background, okay? I filed a group lawsuit called Naveed versus Blinken in 2022 to challenge not only the delays, but the causes of the delays. The plaintiffs were 10 Pakistani-American couples who had all been DQ'd for more than a year. In October of this year, the judge dismissed the lawsuit because all the beneficiary plaintiffs had been scheduled for interviews and attended the interviews, and all had got a visa even, except one. So on June 30th of this year, I filed a second group lawsuit, Iqbal versus Blinken. Plaintiffs were 3 Pakistani-American couples waiting for interviews from Islamabad, all DQ over a year. Government filed a motion to dismiss. We recently beat that motion to dismiss. At the hearing, Judge Mueller ordered the government to produce declarations showing that Islamabad backlog had grown, and also where the plaintiffs were in the queue. So we have those declarations now, and we know for a fact that the backlog is growing for immediate relative categories, right? So what I would say from that is on November 9th, Judge Mueller issued the order granting the government's motion to dismiss the policy challenges, but not our causes of action related to the length of the delay. Those survived, okay? And so one of the 3 beneficiary plaintiffs is already scheduled for an interview. We expect the other 2 to be scheduled before this litigation goes much further. So now we're offering a third group lawsuit about Islamabad, building on our Iqbal versus Blinken victory, to bring justice for the couples and families awaiting interviews at US Embassy Islamabad. Since the Iqbal victory was based upon the unreasonable delay and mandamus claims only, this group lawsuit will only include those challenges, okay? We will file this lawsuit for the affected couples and families who register to participate as plaintiffs only, okay? The registration ends soon, November 24th, 2023. The lawsuit will be filed on December 1st, 2023, okay? So, eligibility to participate. This lawsuit will be for couples and families in the following family-based immigrant visa categories: IR1, IR2, IR5, F1, F2A, F2B, F3, F4. Basically all the family categories, family-based categories. Lawsuit will be for couples and families awaiting visa interviews at the US Embassy Islamabad only. No other embassies, okay? And finally, everyone in this case needs to have been DQ, documentarily qualified, before December 1st, 2022. We do not want people participating in this lawsuit unless they have an unreasonable delay of more than a year, basically. Side note, diversity visa selectees, you're not eligible to participate in this lawsuit, okay? Cost to participate. The total cost will be $800 per family. The terms by which those attorney fees are payable are an initial payment of $400 due upon registration and $400 payment deferred and due upon visa issuance to the primary beneficiary and their entry to the United States. Let's say you have 2 petitions, it's twice as much money, okay? So it's basically $800 per petition. Okay. So if you have any questions about this group lawsuit, hit me up. I'm on WhatsApp. Sometimes it takes 24 hours for me to answer, but I want you to understand the opportunity before you participate or before you decline to participate. I want you to understand that, hey, this is a tool that you could use, and maybe it's right for you and maybe it's not, but find out about it first, right? So if you have any questions, hit me up, let me know. Otherwise, thank you for watching this video.